You don't gas again. You tell it also. The thing with me I don't really understand be say now we won't begin to talk about Nigeria embassy. Are you hear me? Nigerian embassy. I don't know that Nigerian embassy I will call them or House of Horror. It better we just call them House of Horror. Now don't understand. Now the name will fit on be that. Because I can't find out say for Nigeria embassies where we get for Europe here, they are not helping in any issues at all. You hear? They need help for any issues. We were did Europe here, where did this diaspora here. We cannot run down to Nigeria embassy for them to help us for anything. The bureaucracy, the Russia treatment, in short, the protocols is something we not really understand. There's nothing what we want to go do for Nigeria embassy where we say your cupboard, you know, will open your wallet, make any money for inside. You know, if you go there, go do any paper, may they do that paper, may they give you instantly, simply because you need them very fast. Nigeria embassy no care whether we're there for asking for that paper, whether they urgent, you know they urgent. All what they know now money. You will go Nigeria embassy like this, they will tell you say what you want to do, no will fit take place that very day. You don't understand me so. But at the same time, you will see white man, you will come Nigeria embassy. The treatment where they will give and then they give president. You hear me so? I can't find that say for Nigeria embassy, the moment you get your money for pocket, you feel even pass backyard, enter, wait till you they find instantly, they go do and they go give you. But other people, they will tell them, say, may they come tomorrow, may they come so day. Sure, the frustration is too much. Nigeria embassy in diaspora, here in Europe, in the world, in wherever. Just imagine the bullshit where we hear now. Nigeria embassy in Switzerland call police for your own citizen. Where did they do that one? No matter what, Nigeria embassy, you people should know how to dialogue with your citizens. Call them together, put them in place, make them understand, talk to them. If there's any service where you people can do, render for them instantly. Help people, help them. Let them know the importance of that document where they want to do for that Nigeria embassy or whatever the House of Horror I will call them. I don't know. Let them know, okay, this paper, they're very important. So day you need them. Okay, we'll try our best. No, they cannot help you in anything. You go to Nigeria embassy, you see all of them, they will wear suits, they go up and down, they come up and down. The real work one will walk, now will walk and make people forget what they want to do. Make people forget the paper they need. Make people forget what they can't do for them. Despite the fact that they pay. Not you go any office here in Europe, you go there, you tender your document, they give you what they need, you work out come up for there. You dey hear me so? But Nigeria embassy will not be so. You will go, for me personally, I don't go so many Nigeria embassies. All na same problem, na same situation. How you imagine Nigeria embassy, it will call police for your citizens? This one just happened in Swiss. Nigeria embassy calls police for your citizen. What you want me to do them? Definitely, maybe people they inside there now where we say paper never complete. People they inside there where we say they are duro. People they inside there where we say their things never complete for Europe here. They will come that Nigeria embassy where we say now where they're supposed to get their real help, where they find. No, they will still frustrated there. Tell me now where as you call police for them, now police come then I come begin control of them for them. Maybe now they will begin to see somewhere get yawa for their paper or whatever. Because they call Nigeria embassy, one can do one thing or the other. Now they'll go find themselves for where they no expect. More they respect on themselves. What did they worry on themselves? Now what did they worry on? What did they do now? More put sense it on our head. If the Nigerian embassy not let you now operate in a normal way, more close and make all of now go Nigeria, go sit down. If not they European, now simply because of us, now make una they European so that more na fit they do what we want. Now beg we day. More stop to the frustrate us here for Europe. Despite the fact say nothing one they do for us where we need to pay money they put. We they pay money for everything. But that will not be the case. But when I still do the service, it will still become problem. I bet Mona put sense it on her head. The thing don't too much, eh? The thing don't too much. Mona put sense it on her head. I just the best.